Today we're going back to basics with Hulu Live. I'm going to be answering a few frequently asked questions just to get you through the basics. I'm also going to offer a few tips and tricks that might make your life with Hulu a little bit easier. So we're going to get started on that. Before we do, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can join us every Wednesday and Friday. Now, today has a wrinkle in it. I want to keep myself from going too long-winded, so I'm going to set a timer for 10 seconds on each answer. And should I go over that, well, I do have some punishment waiting in the wings. So let's get started. Well, the price right now is $45. I think we should be okay, safe from a price hike for a little while, because we just got raised by $5 about 3 months ago. The free version is, well, it's free, and you only get 50 hours of recording, and you can't fast forward the commercials. If you raise the price by $10, if you raise the price by $10, then you can skip your commercials and get 200 hours. This one's easy. 2 simultaneous streams. If you upgrade for $10 a month, you can get unlimited. If you're a family with small children, there is a kids mode on Hulu. Make sure you set aside at least one of your profiles for that kids mode. This is a common complaint even by me. I think it's terrible. It looks great, but it's terrible. The guide only goes to the next show, not really a full grid view at all. Don't do it! Oh, son of a... To be fair, the mobile app is actually pretty good. On the lower left-hand side of your screen, not this screen, but your Hulu screen, there's a little gear icon. That's your settings. Go there and you can do a couple of things that'll make your life a little bit easier. First of all, you can change the streaming quality. So if you find that you're buffering a little bit, maybe lower that manually, and that could ease the buffering. You can also change the color of your closed captions. So if you find something a little bit easier to read in one color, then you can change it to that. Pretty cool. Yes, the AMC networks and the Viacom channels, including things like MTV, BET, Nickelodeon, those are missing. Yes, local channel coverage is generally really good, but you shouldn't have to worry about that if you just get an over-the-air antenna, which you can see more about here. No, US only. If you do want to watch your Hulu subscription outside the US, you can probably do that with a VPN. If you want to learn more about VPNs, hit it up right there. Technically, as far as this non-lawyer can tell, it is not illegal to share your password. However, they have a technical solution to this where you can't use anything but mobile devices outside of your home, so other people won't be able to watch it on their Rokus! Okay, all right. Fun fact, there is a live TV only version of Hulu that costs $44 if you want that. I'm good, I'm fine. So if you have any other questions about Hulu, hit the comments below and we'll try to answer those for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want more content of balls getting thrown in my face. So, I'll see you guys on the next video. Ouch, who hit me right here?
That's probably this
guy. That hurt. Yeah, that hurt. God, Adam. Oh. Oh. Right in the nuts. Technically, as far as I can tell, I'm not a lawyer, but it's not illegal. However, they have a technical solution that makes it so that you can't watch it outside of your home except for on mobile networks, so you can't use your Rokus. Oh, you can't. That hurt. That was going right from my face. Oh my God, that hurt. Was that the green one?
The green one, it's got the...
Oh my God. Oh, I'm glad my wife's out of town for the weekend. I'm gonna need that time to Oh my gosh. Whew. So if you have any other questions, I will murder you.